Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to add border to third page in Microsoft Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Publisher document. Now we want to add border only third page. Go to the third page. Here the third page. Then go to the home menu. Then click draw text box option and draw a text box over the page. Then click the text box and go to the shape format menu. Then click the shape outline option. You can choose any color. Now I select the blue color. Then again go back this option and increase the white. Now we can see we put it a border only third page. We go to another page and see not available the border. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.